Let's talk about how to set SMART goals, the key to getting things done efficiently and effectively. SMART is an acronym. It stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each word helps you set goals that are clear and doable. Specific: be clear about what you want to accomplish. A vague goal like, get better at work, is hard to measure. Instead, say, improve my picking speed by 10%. Measurable: add a number or a way to track progress. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Ask yourself, how will I know I've reached this goal? Achievable: set a goal that's challenging, but possible. Stretch yourself, but be realistic. Don't say, become a manager in 1 week. Say, lead a small team within 6 months. Relevant: make sure your goal matters to you. It should match your career path, values, and bigger plans. If it's not meaningful, you won't stay motivated. Time-bound: set a deadline. A goal without a time frame is just a wish. Say, complete safety training by the end of the month. A time limit keeps you focused. When your goals are SMART, they're easier to plan, track, and accomplish. Write your next goal using this method, and watch your progress take off.